Well, I just realized I didn't have my mic on. Got my old mic back, but gotta remember to turn it on. I guess it got a little jumbled. Bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Chickens are sleeping in. Oh, birds. Hello. I'm near the party bush. Morning party. I gotta get to work. Oh, hey, I heard you. Good morning. He's looking at me. I'm sick. I'm getting you some treats. Okay, swing back out. Leave a little pile here. Okay. Oh, hello. I didn't know there was two of you. Well, I left a little pile. I'll see you guys later. Woohoo! Oh, you're on the fence. Alright. Well, it's a small pile, but it's better than nothing. See you later. I'm about 2 blocks from work, and wow, it's a lot of robins. So many. Oh, there's robins in that tree too. And the tree behind it. It's just a robin party today. And some, wait, are those robins too? Yeah, I thought they were doves for a second. Heck, they could be around, I don't know. Bark, bark. Hey, there's one of my crow friends. Showing up at the last minute, aren't you? Well, good morning. Let me get you a treat. 1 second. Okay. Now where should we put it? Maybe right here. Away from the street a little bit. Oh boy. Yay! Yeah, we got us a nice little treat. Okay, well you enjoy that. Bye bye. I would have gone down to the stump, but there was like someone like walking by at that moment. I don't know. It would look weird if I was like coming right at them. But the crow found me anyway, so that's fine. I don't think he was the one making the noise. I think it was that guy. You should join. I left a decent pile. Well, I'm off work, and it sure is sunny. Nothing like yesterday. I'm at the stump. They ate everything. So so I'll leave a little. So, there we go. And I got something, even though I found them earlier. There could be others who didn't. Where's those chickens? I don't see them yet. The sun's going behind a cloud. I saw a couple of drops of rain, so I don't know what's going to happen. There's a couple of chickens. Oh, just one, is it? Yeah. Oh, I couldn't tell. I was looking at its butt. Like, oh, there's another one. Okay, there are two. Well, I gotta go home. Oh, there's all the chickens. They're coming out. Yay. And lots of sparrows in this party bush. Velcro. Look at that kitty. So cute. I think there's some magpies living in that tree. I saw them building a nest this morning. They're bringing sticks in there. Okay, we'll go home now.